Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Leave a comment, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime that I go live. Okay, today we have no bean chili, which is a lot closer to traditional true blue chili. Chili actually originally didn't have beans in it. So, let's get started. Right here in a crock pot. I've decided to do this in a crock pot. You don't have to, but that's what I decided to do. I have 2 pounds of ground beef that you can obviously see I cooked off. I'm adding some salt and pepper to that. Now this one might be a little bit controversial, but this chili turned out really well. So, trust me on this one. And that's adding 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. And then we want 1 cup of chopped green pepper and 1 cup of chopped onion. And then we want to add a tablespoon of chili powder. I added a little bit more because I like mine a little spicier, but at least a tablespoon. If you want it even spicier, just keep adding more chili powder. Or add jalapenos or habaneros. And then we want a half tablespoon of chipotle powder. If you can't find chipotle powder, cayenne is a perfect substitute for it. And then we want to add 32 ounces of tomato sauce, which is accomplished by adding this 24-ounce can of tomato sauce. The standard bigger can you see in any supermarket. And then adding one of the small 8-ounce cans. And then finally, 8 ounces of tomato paste. And then we're going to add 3 cups of beef broth, or beef stock, whichever you prefer. I know there's a difference between the two, but I have long since forgotten what it is. And then just want to grab a spoon, stir this all around till everything is mixed, put the cover on, and then put it on low for, well, several hours. If you're in a bit of a time crunch, you could probably shave a couple of hours off if you put it on medium. I wouldn't go to high, though. So, I just kind of made this in the morning and put it on low and let it cook all day. And bingo. Chili's in the bowl and ready to go. You can certainly add cheese if you like, or any topping you like. And, yeah, no bean chili. Done.